Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about how car accidents affect your credit score. Let's go straight into it. Well, it's pretty simple, right? You get into a car accident, whether it's totaled or not, you can't, let's say it's undrivable, right? And while you're not driving the vehicle, you probably got the rental vehicle, or you probably don't have a rental. You're probably Ubering and all the rest of that stuff. One common mistake that people make, number one, is that they stop making payments on the auto loan. They say, well, the car's in the shop, the insurance company knows about it and the bank knows about it. That does not mean that the monthly payment is not due. Unless you have a natural disaster or some type of arrangement with the bank, they're still going to be expecting you to make payments on the vehicle. If that's the case, you have to make sure that you have arrangements in place to start making those payments, okay? I see it all the time. I'll say, man, it shows that you're late, on your auto loan. Oh, yeah, I got into an accident a few weeks ago, or a month ago, rather. And I'm like, well, you still got to make those payments. Oh, but my insurance company knows all about it. They're gonna pay the car off. Yeah, but until they cut that check to the bank has nothing to do with your brakes going out, your tires going out, car accident, total, your mom died, your dog died, somebody got sick. They don't care. This is business, okay? This is business. So you have to understand, you have to pay them. You have to pay them, guys. So that's number one. Number two, like I kind of mentioned in number one, if the car is totaled out and they're about to make a big lump sum check, to the bank, and you know it's going to come, it's it was a totaled out car, whether it was your fault or the other person's fault, whatever. Again, you have to make sure that that payment is made. Now you're probably thinking, well, what happens if I make the monthly payment and they're already seeing the check to the to the lender that what they call the lien holder, the person that you're actually paying your monthly payments to? Well, absolute worst case scenario, they'll just cut you a check. You guys listening to me? They'll just cut you a check and let you know exactly how much you're going to end up having to pay. Okay, so that plays a major role in you having to pay certain things for the actual auto loan. Okay, number three is that a lot of times when you have an extensive period of time, when you have, let's say, for example, let's say gap insurance, okay? So when you have the gap insurance, it's supposed to cover the difference that the insurance company does not cover. Let's talk about numbers. Let's say you're driving along, you get into a car accident, the car is totaled. You owe $15,000 on the car. The car is worth 10. Okay, if the car is worth 10 and you owe 5, that means you have $5,000 worth of negative equity. If you have gap, and only if you have gap, will it cover that balance as it should be. And all you have to do is just put in the gap claim number. Everything takes a little while depending on how fast your insurance moves and all that type of stuff. So you have to make sure that things are in place. I've also seen people that had gap and didn't even know they had gap. Okay, but most insurance companies are going to say, hey, fam, did you have gap? So you got to always kind of dig deeper into that. Also, too, you'd be surprised. A lot of people got gap. They're paying for it on their auto loans and don't even know it. So I've seen it happen as well, too. So again, you can't expect these banks to have your back on certain things. You can't expect these lenders or insurance companies to look out for you. You have to know what you signed. And a lot of people got gap. Some of you all got, it's called a slam, okay? A slam is like when you're buying something and then when you're buying something, someone slams some extra coverage, warranty or gap, whatever, on your contract, and you didn't even know it was on there, and you're not even benefiting. And that's not just gap. We're talking about tire changes, oil rotations. It's not tire changes. Oil changes, tire rotations, all that type of stuff. Some of that stuff is prepaid up. Look back at your contract. Look to see what you bought. Most of you guys are financing warranties, tire and wheel protection, all type of stuff. Make sure you're utilizing what you're paying for, okay? So that's what you want to make sure of. So number one, make sure that you're not missing any late payments due because you got into the accident in the first place. Number two, make sure that everything is in place with the insurance companies and making sure that again, kind of like number one, it kind of goes into missed payments. Just making sure that if they're going to pay off the balance, whether it's a car that's totaled or whatever, make sure that you're going to make the payment. And I'd rather you get a check from the lender because there was an overage from the insurance company, and then it to be the other way around, and then the insurance company cuts a check and it's too short, and now they put that on your credit report that you're late. Okay, I'm gonna let you know, it's not a lot of clients, but less than maybe 5% of clients that I see, they'll have like a $200 balance, a $400 balance from a car that got totaled out because of whatever reason. I said, you got to pay that. Well, I ain't paying that. Okay, cool. Hey, look, this is your credit, okay? So I'm telling you, just stay on top of it. Nobody's gonna be on top of this stuff except you, okay? If you like this video, like it. You want to share it, and as always, be sure to subscribe. As we had nothing but great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.